Like that, we remember. And remember, there is you can remember the stars 27 numbers in easy way. That is 3 stars each. Ashwini, Bharani, Kartika, like that. What I mentioned earlier. Same thing. Now our new portion is about the bhava. There is 12 bhava in the astrology. 12 bhava has its importance. Bhava, and in Sanskrit, bhava karagatva. Bhava Karagatvam in the sense, each and every bhava has particular graha, particular planet is there. Each planet will show its implication and that particular Karagatvam. For example, number 1, Lagna Karagan is Sun. Lagna, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that will come. Always we never mention as number 1 Karagam. Rather, we say Lagna. That means ascendant. Okay, Lagna Karaga is Surya, Sun. You can write down and remember it. Lagna Karaga is Sun. And second Bhava Karaga, Guru, Brihaspati.
Okay.
And actually, 12, you have to remember this in prediction part, we must know this. So remember this, number 1, Lagna Karaga is Sun. 2, second Bhava Karaga is Guru. Third Karaga, Kujan, that means Mars. Fourth, Buddha and Moon. 2 grahas are there. Bhava Karagatva. In reversely, when you learn, you and practically comes into things. Bhava Karagatva connected to our things. I will later explain how it is connected. You remember these things in background. First, 4th I mentioned. 5th one, Karagan is Guru, again Brihaspati on 5th Karaga. 6th, Shani, Saturn and again Mars.
Shani and Saturn. Okay.
7th house, Shukra.
Okay.
Venus. 8th, Saturn.
Okay.
9th Karaga, Guru and Sun.
Guru and
Sun, yeah.
Okay.
10th Karaga, Sun, Buddhan and Saturn. Shani.
Sun, Buddha, and Shani.
And 11th Karaga, Guru again. 12th, Saturn.
Shani has a lot of. Is it 6, 8, 10, 12?
Yes. That is why when Saturn moves, it has more importance in our life.
Oh, okay. Shukra is how much? It is 1.
No.
7.
Shukran 7th house.
Only 7.
And practically speaking, when you concentrate on Karaga Graha as well as Bhava is not different, but each and every, as per our chart, where the Lagnam is there, ascendant is there, we have to focus, that is number 1. Bhava, first Bhava, which implicates Karagatva Graham is Sun, already we noticed. And first Bhava has the importance like health, body, Ojas, Shakti, fame, name, success, happiness, and Atma Bala. All has to be, all these things be counted with the Bhava, Lagna Bhava. That's number 1. So when you come to interpretation, you have to think all this thing has to come to your mind, these points. For example, Lagnadiban is sun sitting on the Kujakshetra. That means, sorry, in the Mesharashi. In Mesharashi, Kuja is, sun is very powerful. If he sits there, the person will have very good fame, politically good name, fame will come. So this connecting, so this is a practical astrology. I'm telling you. But that time we have to remember this point. That's why how much is practically connected. Each and every bhava, when we have to look at somebody's horoscope. Okay, sun is sitting on the Mesharashi, Lagna, on the Lagna ascendant name, sun sitting is very powerful on these things. But it should be sitting is comfortable place also. Not Shatru Kshetram, those things has to be counted. Now, coming back to point, Bhava. Now, we are passing to focus on Bhava. What the Bhava? Number one, Lagna Bhava has to be considered and calculated these things. What I mentioned, remember? Number one, yeah, wherever, for example, Lagnam can be Meena Rashi, Lagnam can be Mesha Rashi, Lagnam can be Midhuna Rashi, and that is considered number one.
Lagna is in Mean Rashi, so in Mean Rashi it starts for that.
Yeah, number one, yeah. Then uska seventh Rashi, automatically Kanya Rashi will come. So we have to look at, then that's a Bhava. Yes, yes. Second. Mesha will come second.
It's clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise. Amen. Clockwise. Always clockwise. Yeah.
So mean one, mesh two.
Mesh two.
So it will go like clockwise.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know why I'm going anti-clockwise. Okay.
Sun is moving like that. All the grahas are moving like that. All are moving clockwise. Only Rahu Ketu is moving reverse.
Okay.
Then Bhava 2. Bhava 2 is considered Dhanasthana, financial success, education, right eye, our ancestor property, Vaknakstan will tell. He will be very powerful, he will speak.
Yeah.
Then we are moving to other we will go for detail. But we have to just remembering, these are the way approach. Then 3. Bhava 3 has to be considered Sahodara Bhava, brotherly, sisterly place. 3. Bhava 3 has to be considered Sahodara Bhava. Brother, sister has to be considered this. Plus Shaurya. Shaurya means our Vikramasthana. Yes, courage also considered third place. And good voice.
Okay.
Then good ornaments. Right ornament. Okay. Then handwriting.
Handwriting, okay.
Then right ear.
Right here, okay.
These things has to be counted, calculated based on third bhava. Then next one, fourth bhava. Fourth bhava, Sukhasthan. Sukh. Madhur bhava also considered to be fourth house. Mother. Again, education, vehicle, then good bed. He can sleep in a good position, he can sleep well, he will get bed always like that. You have to consider fourth house. Again, bhava can be used the word house. First house, second house, third house, fourth house. Okay. Then coming to fifth house. Putra bhava, mainly considered to be son, daughter kind of things, has to be considered as fifth house. Children. Then we have to count the manas, mind also we consider. Mind, intelligence, next birth, then intelligence and his attitude towards things has to be considered this way. Not past life, next life. Then sixth house. Rogasthanam, Vikramasthanam. Our parisrama, whatever the effort we are putting, those things are counted in sixth house. Also, we check for Shatru, enemy. Loan. Apamrityu. That means exactly. Not even some kind of non-comfortable death, non-natural death. Then manaklesha. Manaklesha means discomfort in mind, attitude. And as a doctor, sixth bhava is most important for you. 6 and 8. Okay, then 7th.
I am doctorate. I did a doctorate in effects of meditation on human mind.
Wow. That's nice. I'm just because sometimes in your sitting situation background something considered I felt as a doctor, medical doctor. Okay.
But my partner, he's a medical doctor, and he's a psychiatrist.
Recording is going on. We'll talk personally. Then now seventh lord. Seventh lord is considered to be Kalatrasthana. I am using intentionally the Sanskrit word Kalatrasthana. That means husband, wife, family life, marriage, kamam, partnership, relationship. Nivartisthanam. Nivartisthanam means when we took Hora astrology, we have to consider 7th house as Nivartisthanam. If 7th house means kuch acha aata to, so something came very positively, that we will consider as the best. Then travel. Putra gunam means putri putra, son or daughter, they will beneficial, they are beneficial. Putra gunam. Then 8th house. Mainly it is considered to be Ayusthana. Ayur. Mainly some kind of debt, physical problem, hospitalization, death, abhavadam. Abhavadam means ubhavji, aushadam. Aushadam means medicine. For example, when we Hora astrology, when we whether this roga will go through Ayurvedam or to be considered allopathy, which medicine has to be considered, that will be taken care by 8th lord. Then 9th house is luck factor. Luck, father, son, Guru, Salkarma, Purva Punyam. Last birth good things we can calculate based on 9th house. Then donation, Dana Dharmadi, those things also be. Then he should born in good family. That will also we can take care of it. 9th house. Then 10th. Then 10th house. 10th house, karma bhava. What are the karma we have to do? Work, name, fame, information on our Purana Jnana. He has some kind of understanding over our Purana. Those things can be considered and calculated based on 10th house. And we can say believe in God. Those things believe in. Yeah, can. 10th house is karma bhavam, name, fame, and intelligence. Believe in God, trust. Information on Purana, financial capability. Then 11th house, Labhasthan. Labham means success in financial success. Labhasthanam, 11th house, financial success. Also brother and sister, elder brother, fame in the community, name, fame. Then 12th house. Sir, 12th house, expenses, loss, our agony, mental peace, loss of peace. Then travel to abroad, financial loss, left eye, then physical inability, done. Then can you go to, because it's 12, I have to complete, that's why I finished the 12 places. 12 Rashi has to be counted. You have to picturize in your mind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 12 bhava. There it comes. Make it by heart.
And from the first house, it's Sun, Shani, Shukra, Surya,
Okay. And two things by heart. What is Graha Karagatvam and Bhava. Two topics we have covered in this class. Next class will be bigger. More importance has to be given. I am planning to take next class. And any doubt, anything need to clarification?
I see name and fame in all of them. Name and fame was
11th house also there, 10th house also there. 10th house, 11th house, everything is interconnected.